All right, guys, I just got off of work. I'm in my boots right now. I showed up to work with dry roads. And well, the roads aren't dry anymore. That's covered in snow. And look at the M4. My front lip is collecting snow. This thing has never seen snow like this before. And I'm about to drive home on some really worn out summer tires. So this should be very interesting. So I thought I'd document this process. Just look at this. So much snow. Here, let me throw my stuff in there. Let's get as much of this snow off the car so that I have some sort of visibility. All right, that should be good enough. Let it get that heated steering wheel to work because my hand is frozen. Clear off that windshield. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know how this is gonna go. This is actually really scary because my tires are not in good shape and they're summer tires. So the tread pattern is not meant for this condition, for these conditions at all. So, wasn't supposed to get off work this early, but because of the snow, I told my managers, I need to get out of here before it's nighttime, because when it's nighttime, all of this freezes and it's gonna be a disaster. So I'm trying to look out for my car today and make sure that this thing can just get home safely, because it's New Year's Eve right now and I did not want to go into the new year with a totaled M4 because of the this Colorado winter storm. I've already got snow that is on the windows again. All right, let's start driving. So I don't even know how to approach this. We're just gonna roll forward. I need my defrosters on. We are already spinning. I am literally spinning like crazy. So that is kind of a steep hill, so I'm gonna avoid that and drive, exit this way. Literally when I give it gas, it just like you can feel the wheels spinning through it. This is eventful at its best. Honestly, I kind of want to find a place to do some donuts because, yeah, I want to see how that goes. So if I come across a parking lot where we can do donuts, which this car wash is pretty open, I might just try to do a quick donut and see how it goes. Hey guys, you can see my trail right there. Car looks really sick in the snow. I'm gonna set you guys down and see if we can spin this thing a little bit. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm back in the car, guys. This thing actually was amazing during those donuts. This thing got sideways with no issues. I got a little too comfortable because I was spinning, and then went kind of fast forward. Then I went to brake, but these tires, again, are summer tires, and it just slid and it didn't grip the road at all. And there's a sidewalk curb, and I got an inch away from just ramming my front bumper into it. So kind of glad that didn't go that way, but I'm glad I was able to spin this thing. It's effortless in this weather. Yeah, check this out. So we got traction off, sport mode. Boom. Just like that. This thing spins with no issues. And we've got a couple cars watching me, so just as long as they're not cops. But before we hop on the main road, I should probably put my traction back on, because we're gonna need that. Literally nothing but a traction light driving in this condition. And there's a big dip right there. All right, we're gonna have to really angle this through so we don't scrape. I'm literally just spinning, guys. I can hardly move. This is very scary, and I really hope that I don't slide into a car because my stopping power is not very good. I'm gonna give you guys an example at this light. Oh, that was pretty good, but there's like a dry patch of road right there. Literally everybody's looking at me like, what is this guy doing on the road? All right, let's go in the intersection, which is very scary. I literally, when I turn the car, it just slides into the other lane. Camera's not picking this up, guys, but I'm literally feathering the gas pedal and I can't go more than 20 miles an hour. Like, this is bad. Okay, we just made it up this really sketchy hill. It was like kind of steep and I was literally just fighting it and turning the wheel back and forth. I've got people trying to like get on my bumper right now, but I don't think they realize that I'm on summer tires and I'm rear wheel drive, so not the kind of car that should be out right now. So like I said, it was like dry roads before I came into work, but that just shows you how crazy Colorado weather is. It can change in a matter of like 30 minutes. Up, and we are sliding, and it is getting sketchy. I am all over the road. Okay, guys, we are going down a steep hill. I need that light to stay green because if it goes red, I'm literally gonna slide right through the intersection. Like, look at this. It literally, that was me giving it brakes, and it just wanted to slide, but thankfully that light just turned green because I don't know if I was gonna be able to stop. Let's get over because it looks like people kind of plowed a little path for us on this lane, so we get a little bit of pavement on the tires. But we are almost there, guys. All right, as you can see in the background, there are snow plows that are coming out to clear these roads because right now, I don't think any snow plows have touched these roads by the way they look. Oh wait, this is my turn. Now this turn has a little bit of an incline, so we just gotta send it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, wow. It actually did pretty good on that. I did not think we were gonna get up that hill that easily, but we still got a couple more hills. At least we're on some back roads and we're not on the main road anymore. So if I get stuck, I can kind of control the situation a little better. I guarantee you my front lip is just plowing through a bunch of snow. All right, we picked up some speed on that hill and I'm a little sketched out because I gotta slow down. And I did not want to slide into no sidewalks because we've got two on both sides of the car. I can feel it sliding a little bit around these turns. I'm gonna give it a little gas, see what it does. Honestly, not too bad. Like right now, it's actually not sliding too crazily. You got a snow plow right there. He's getting kind of close to my car, should probably get over. But he is saved the day. So thank you for those guys. We are close to my house, so feeling pretty good. I got off work and I was like, guys, wish me luck. Let's hope that I can get my car home safely without needing to be towed out or kissing a sidewalk in. Looks like we're gonna do that. Knock on carbon fiber since there's no wood that, you know, we get there. We're only about 2 minutes away. All right, we are sliding and not turning. We were supposed to go that way. Let's turn the car. I turned the steering wheel and it just went forward. And I am back to losing traction because we are in a neighborhood and it obviously has not been driven on in a while because there's no tire marks in it. Right, we've got a couple cars on this road. The goal is to not play bumper cars with anybody. That's my pre-New Year's resolution. Don't play bumper cars with your M4 with summer tires in the middle of a winter storm in Denver, Colorado. And this car is getting really close to us, so please do not get close because I could go sideways at any second. All right, we just made it through a big hill. Almost home. What a crazy drive back from work. I drove to work on dry roads. I was even doing some pulls in the car, you know, doing a little anti-lag and whatnot. Totally different drive home after work. Kind of want to like do some drifting around some of these turns, but guys, I just spun out. I literally was going straight and my car randomly started like doing a full like 360. So I need to turn the other way. I literally have no traction. Oh my goodness. I'm like barely giving it any gas and it's just spinning. Guys, I'm so close to being home, but I literally cannot go faster than this. I can feel through the gas pedal. It's just chopping right through. All right, home is right up ahead. It's actually right here, but wow. We made it home, guys. The M4 did not get stuck in a ditch and it did not kiss any bumpers. We survived. That was, not gonna lie, that was a very nerve-wracking drive. All right, guys, we got the car home and parked. This thing is caked in snow. Look at the wheel wells and whatnot. Look at my front lip, guys. It's literally just been shoveling snow. It's like perfectly leveled with the snow. But yeah, what a crazy day. We're getting so much snow, but this thing is just absolutely frozen. It looks cool being all frozen. Not the coolest to drive though on these kind of roads, but hey, it's back home. We're gonna let it sit until this weather clears out. But yeah, definitely a crazy little experience. So while the M4 hibernates for a little bit, all I ask is that you guys like and subscribe. And hopefully you enjoyed this little adventure of me driving back home from work and all the little shenanigans this car just gave us. But yeah, she's back home safely, but I'm gonna let the car hibernate for a few days until this weather goes away. But you guys will just have to stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.